Okay, Gen X content creators, this one's for you. So I always tell you about gadgets and the tech tools that you use, but what's also important is how we look on camera. And you want to be camera ready, whatever your age is. And especially as you get older, then that helps you with your confidence. It will boost your confidence. And what's so popular right now on TikTok is Dr. Melanix. So yes, I did it. So I bought separately the toner and the cleanser. So this is the toner. So this is part one. I haven't tried them yet. I'm going to try them and then see how they work and then let you know. So that'll be part two. But this is the Dr. Melanix Peel Shot Black Rice Whip Cleanser. It's supposed to be very great. And it basically is good for deep cleansing and clear skin boost. Then we have the Dr. Melanix Peel Shot, and that is Glow White Rice Toner. And with that, it is radiance boost and hydration. And I know that my skin needs hydration because I usually just use soap and then, don't laugh, and then jojoba oil. But this, I'm noticing, this should be really helpful. Then we have, what I need is the Dr. Melanix Calcium Intense Cream. So that's supposed to be like on your eyes, around your eyes, and on your face. And then we have for the eye patches, because I can have a little, darkness under the eye, a little puffiness if I sleep on one side for too long. And this is Dr. Melanix Calcium, and this is for the eye patches. So they say you put the cream and then the eye patch. So like these work together, because I bought, this is the pack. This is the bundle, okay, first off. This is the bundle that I bought. And then the toner and the lotion and the cleanser were separate because it was better for my skin type. So look to see what's best for your skin type. And then this bundle is fantastic because you get full sizes for not that much. And individually, it would be more. So take advantage of the bundles while they're still available. And hurry, because if they're not available, you can't get the deal. But then we have, this is the stick. So this is the Dr. Melanix Calcium. So you see those three things. This is the X Volume Glow Stick. Do you see people putting the glow stick? I'm excited to see this. I love trying things. So then this is Dr. Melanix Calcium, and it is the pink spicule serum that everyone's like, it feels like little pinpricks because it helps to boost the collagen, and something that you would do at an esthetician's place. So then the last one is Dr. Melanix Calcium, and this is the pigmentation serum. So for me, I can get hyperpigmentation if I get a little blemish. It stays there forever, but this is supposed to wipe it away. So I'm excited to try all of these products. In part two, I'm gonna go and do a few days of using them, and you'll see the results, and I'm sure it'll be great because it's all over TikTok, and Korean skincare is fantastic. So I'm excited to do it. I think we all need to look great on camera. So click the yellow card below and let's glow.